Hello po. So, again, we are here in Tabango Liti. 1 hour travel from Matlang Isabel Liti. Going here. It's 1 hour in travel naman. That was 61 kilometers from Matlang to here in the Tabango Liti. And then we'll go to the farm. About 12 kilometers from here in Tabango Liti to the farm. So now we are in market, public market ng Tabango Liti. Nag-buy po kami na para food, para among lunch na sa farm. So we are in Tabango market, guys. Uh, so bye. Please subscribe me. Please click the button for the notification para palagi kayong update sa mga video ko. Thank you po. God bless.